If you want to know how to duet a video on TikTok, then join me in this tutorial. Let me walk you through on how to duet a video on TikTok, okay? So let's go. So this is how to duet a video on TikTok. So let's say you find the video you want to duet. Make sure you tap on the video so that the video will start playing. And tap on this share icon. Then you will see duets here. In some videos, the owner will not allow duets. But in this video, the owner allows duet. That is why you see the duets here active. So just tap on the duet. Then it will start processing. It will take from few seconds to few minutes before it finish processing. So when it finish processing, it will bring you to this place. So now you can see the normal default setting. You will be one side while the video you want to duet will be in the other side, in the opposite direction. So now tap on this icon. Then you can see you can be able to add a green screen to it. Or you can tap on the third icon and make the video you want to duet smaller while you are bigger than the video. Or you can tap on this one to put the duet video on top of your own video, okay? So now, maybe after you have selected it, you want to add a filter. You can also tap here to add a filter. So you can choose any filter of your choice. So, and make sure you don't forget to tap on this microphone to activate it, so that if you want to speak while you are doing the duet, you can also speak, so that your voice will also be recorded, okay? After you have done all the settings, I have chosen the position you want your duet to be. You can now tap on the record button to record your video. If you're doing duets on TikTok, it does not allow a pre-recorded video. You have to record the video live for duet, okay? So now, after you have done recording your video, you can go ahead and post your video. So that is how to do duet on TikTok.